Welcome to this essential guide on choosing the right main switch for domestic electrical safety and modern regulatory compliance. A main switch is a switch disconnector that controls the entire electrical supply to a home. It is the primary isolation point for maintenance or repairs. Unlike a circuit breaker, its role is purely for manual isolation, and it typically does not provide overcurrent protection. When selecting the current rating, 100 amps is the industry standard for most modern houses. This rating handles the simultaneous load of high-power appliances like electric showers and EV chargers. Always ensure the main switch rating meets or exceeds the incoming service fuse rating. For single-phase domestic supplies, the standard choice is a double pole switch, or DP. This simultaneously breaks both the live and neutral connections for total isolation. Triple or four-pole switches are reserved for large estates or commercial properties utilizing a three-phase system. There are different types of main switches. The standard isolator provides manual isolation only. The RCD main switch offers isolation and earth leakage protection. SPD-compatible switches integrate with surge protection devices to safeguard home electronics. Mechanical compatibility is vital when replacing a switch. Ensure it matches the brand of the consumer unit, verify the DIN rail mounting, and check terminal alignment. Mixing brands can lead to poor busbar contact, which poses a significant fire risk. All components must adhere to the BS 7671 IET wiring regulations. Compliance with these standards is fundamental to ensure electrical safety and system reliability in domestic settings. Under current regulations, surge protection devices, or SPDs, are often mandatory. The main switch should allow for short and direct wiring to the SPD for effective voltage spike protection for all household electronics and appliances. The key selection checklist includes current rating, typically 100 amps, voltage rating, matching the local grid supply, pole count, usually double pole for full isolation, and enclosure, offering protection against finger contact. Remember, electrical safety is a fundamental requirement. Always consult a qualified professional to ensure your main switch meets current safety codes and regulations. Main switch failures are often caused by loose terminals, accounting for 40% of risk data, or overloading at 30%. Regular maintenance, including checking for discoloration around terminals, can mitigate these risks. Environmental wear and manufacturing defects also contribute to failures.